Here I have Hyundai i30, and let me show you how to enable the auto brightness, and let me also show you how to adjust the brightness manually. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Hyundai infotainment system. Choose here Setup, so the last button from the right side. Choose here the vehicle, the first option. So if you open the vehicle, you've got access to vehicle settings. Select here the cluster tab, so it's the second tab from the left, and choose here brightness. As you can see, you can use the auto brightness. When checked, the main infotainment screen automatically dims at night or in tunnels and brightness during sunny days. It uses a light sensor to match the cabin illumination to ambient daylight, so the screen doesn't blind you in the dark. I think it's quite useful. I like to use the auto brightness, but you can disable this feature and enable the brightness manually. As you can see right here, here is the switcher to adjust the brightness. In my case, let me set auto brightness. You can also mess something up here and tap default, and you will bring back the default configuration of your brightness. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.